Good morning, Weiner Elementary.
Welcome to this school year's first KWES episode.
Today is Monday, September 9th.
First lunch. Today we'll have pizza, seasoned broccoli, baby carrots, fruit, Rice Krispie treats, and milk.
Tuesday's lunch shall be beef tacos, seasoned green pea, seasoned corn, salad cup, fruit, and milk.
Halfway there. Wednesday's lunch will be chili, baby carrots, oven crisp fries, fruit, cinnamon roll, and milk.
Thursday's lunch will be country fried steak with gravy, seasoned green beans, mashed potatoes, fruit, whole wheat roll, and milk.
And on to Friday. Head over to the cafeteria for a high of hot dogs and a small chance of Cheetos, oven crisp fries, vegetarian beans, fruit, and milk.
School pictures will be this Thursday, September the 12th.
So make sure you get up a little bit earlier so you have time to get all spiffy.
Good one.
Let's head over to weather.
Hello, Weiner Elementary, and welcome to this week's playground forecast. Today's weather forecast is sunny with a high of 95 degrees and a 10% chance of rain. Tomorrow's forecast is sunny with a high of 95 degrees and a 10% chance of rain. Wednesday's forecast is mostly sunny with a high of 95 degrees with a 20% chance of rain. Thursday's forecast is mostly sunny with a high of 88 degrees with a 20% chance of rain. Friday's forecast is mostly sunny with a high of 88 degrees with a 20% chance of rain. Now for your weekend forecast. Saturday's forecast is showers with a high of 85 degrees and a 40% chance of rain. Sunday's forecast is late showers with a high of 64 degrees and with a 30% chance of rain.
Thanks, Peyton.
Let's find out what's happening in the world of sports.
Hello, and welcome to this week's sports report. The Harrisburg Hornet volleyball team will have games on September 12th. All teams will play Cave City starting with 7th grade at 4:30. On September 14th, 7th grade's volleyball team will be playing a tournament at Brooklyn. The time will be announced. Now on to football. On September 12th at 7 p.m., the 7th graders football team will be playing Cedar Ridge at home. The high school football team will play Cedar Ridge at home this Friday, September 13th at 7 p.m. That's all for this week's sports report. Bye!
Well, I don't know about you, Benton, but I want to go back to summer break because mine was splendid.
Same here. I sat around and absolutely nothing.
Well, enough about our summers. Let's hear about some other Weiner Elementary students' summers.
Drew, what is that fun thing you did over the summer?
Swim.
Lexi, what is that fun thing you did over the summer?
I went to the Strawberry Lake with my family.
Ela, what is that fun thing you did over the summer?
Went to my grandma's.
Levi, what is a fun thing you did over the summer?
Steam tea.
Alyssa, what is a fun thing you did over the summer?
I went to Jaden's house and seen Jaden.
Why did you just mention that? It makes me want to go back to summer break even more. Oh.
I've got good news for you then. Tomorrow there will be an early release at 2:10.
Kids get to go home while the poor teachers have to become the students and go learn boring new stuff.
Now on to random questions.
Oh, if you pick a talk, what would it say? Well, I always talk to my dog, so she would probably say, let's play. Bobby Joe, if you pick a talk, what would it say? I don't really know. I think it would say it wants a driver's license to go somewhere. Divinity, if you pick a talk, what would it say? Hello, dance party. Bye, Hatchet. If you pick a talk, what would it say? It would probably say, whenever I look you in the face, wake me up and take me outside. Tyler, if you pick a talk, what would it say?
It would probably say, put me down all over and over again. Because I pick it up too much.
Unfortunately, this is the end of the first KWES newscast of the 2019/2020 school year.
But don't worry, you'll be seeing plenty of us throughout the year.
Have a great rest of the week.
Bye.